So what I'll say is, if you get started with personal branding, it can actually put your foot in the door in more situations than you think not. So I think it's going to be a great perspective to share to many founders, and it'd be great to get started with it. And I wanted to conclude this part of the conversation by asking you, what steps do you think founders can take, their first couple steps to get into personal branding? What are the first steps for them?
Yeah, so this is what happens is, like, when somebody is never done or never did, personal branding or anything. First thing, of course, I only focus on LinkedIn because that's where the professional people hang out. So first, you have to know who are your ICPs, okay, and if who you are trying to reach it. Then as per that, you create your proper LinkedIn optimization. It can be a tagline or a banner or your about us, about you, right? This is the basic thing you have to start it. How you start is just think about your ICP, and write it your own, how you going to solve their problems, who you are, what you do, and how you're going to solve your ICP. And also in the tagline also is the same thing directly, who you are going to help, and the banner with a professional image. That's what first thing. And again, now the real challenges everybody will usually ask me, how can I keep up my content consistently, right? That's where the real challenge starts. So every day you don't get ideas, okay? Maybe I can talk about 5-10 posts about my complete story, but what next? What I should have talked, okay? So you don't need to post every day. Maybe in the starting, start with the weekly once, and go after a couple of weeks, go again 2 weekly, like that. After 1 month, maybe you can post at least 3 posts every week is best. But if you can go 5, that would be awesome, right? And sharing your personal is also matters, because that's where you connect with other people. You don't always talk about the business. Talk about one day, keep it one day for your personal. It can be your health related, or you are like this, and you are right now here, and what did you do, those kind of things. And the main I wanted to say about those consistency is how you want to talk it. If you are already starting it, talk about your early challenges, and how you are trying to help your clients. But if you already build it 10 years of business, you have plenty of things to talk about. Every client, every is a case study. How did you help them, like, how did they grow with you, how long you've been working with them, how much they believe on you, right? So what I do is, usually I have a voice note app. Okay, so wherever because I don't remember, like, if I get some idea or thought, I wanted to capture it immediately so that I don't miss it tomorrow. So what I do, I record what I have in my mind, and I'll clean it up, because I all the grammar mistakes and everything. Then I'll rewrite it with my own language, and I'll go and tweak it with the easy readable. And you just do as like a conversation type, not like, don't sound like a AI something, just conversation type. It tell the story type. Then you record as many as like this. Then you will not have, you don't need to worry about what you are missing out. So the thoughts are important. Either you're driving or you are working. So you record those and start doing it. If you start that way, the more you start doing it, the more ideas you get it. You can continue doing years in this way.
And speaking from an individual that does about 10, 12 hours a day of work, as I'm in school, a lot of my viewers know I'm in school, and I'm also running the podcast. Understand that if you record a long form video, just like we're doing today, and you put into an opus clip, which essentially puts into different clips, you already have your content out there. So
Yep.
what you can do is you can be extremely efficient with what you want to do. I understand it's very difficult to start, but if you approach it very efficiently like this, recording a long video, then cutting up into clips that are relevant to the audience, I'm going to be very honest, it makes things much more efficient, especially for someone who's doing 12-hour days. So I want to put that right out there, and that was a great point that you made.
Yeah, I mean, definitely, not everybody has 30 minutes, unless if they are really interested in that subject. So the 30 seconds clip can lead them to go into a 30 minutes video also. So that's very important. And now we spoke like maybe 5, 6, or 10 topics. Each topic can be a 30 seconds of video, and people can really, get into it and, get to next level.
Absolutely.